Hello, I'm Damari, and this is your Panther Beat for Friday, March 5th. In addition to curbside services, the IMC is providing socially distanced study spaces before and after school. Reservation forms are available on the IMC webpage. Freshmen, the AAC can virtually assist you in managing your classes. Send them an email to get started. If you receive IEP or 504 services, you can join the specialized AAC each day after school for small group and one-on-one instruction. The SPAAC is always here to help. Are you interested in becoming a teacher? Join the free online conference this Saturday from 12 to 2 p.m. The conference is sponsored by Eastern Illinois University. Contact Ms. Heitzman for more information. Junior ROTC is collecting items for the Fisher House Foundation. Fisher House assists military families while their loved one is in the hospital. Please donate food, items, paper plates, toilet paper, or even personal items such as toothpaste and mouthwash. Today is the last day to donate. Now let's see what's happening with your Panther Sports.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Claire with your Panther Sports. Track and field workouts begin March 15th. You must be registered on Family ID and have an up-to-date physical in the nurse's office. Tuesday, our Lady Panthers took on Collinsville at home and came out with a victory, winning 58-32. On Wednesday, the girls dominated rival school Edwardsville 60-41. Last night, our girls celebrated senior night with a win over the Belleville East Lancers. Shout out to Amelia Bell for hitting her 1,000th career point.
She needed 18 for the night, and she has 16 right now. So she's about to score her 1,000th point as a Panther.
Well, let's see if it happens. Bell takes a Euro and
there
makes
it
it.
is.
That is Amelia Bell, 1,000th point.
Congratulations to Amelia Bell for scoring her 1,000th point as a Lady Panther. That is an awesome accomplishment.
Congrats, Amelia, and good luck next year at Mississippi College. Tuesday, our boys basketball team took on Collinsville on the road and came back with a win of 48-47. In other news, our boys bowling team is on a roll. The team is undefeated and leads the conference. Our girls bowling team is currently in third place. Coming up this weekend, our boys basketball team hosts East St. Louis in the Panther Dome at 2 p.m. Be sure to check out our live stream of the game on NFHS Network. Our girls basketball team looks to keep their winning streak alive as they travel into East St. Louis to take on the Flyers. Good luck to both of our teams. Now over to the birthdays, and go Panthers.
Hello everyone, it's Dylan back at it again with more of your Panther Beat birthdays. Birthdays for Monday, March 1st are Braden Ecker, Carrie Fox, William Hayburl, Barbara Carrico, Jackson Lay, and a special happy birthday to Mrs. Coester and Mrs. Sheehan. Birthdays for Tuesday, March 2nd are Nolan Burge, Donald Blue, Jasmine Edwards, Gianti Buat, Aiden Welch, and a special happy birthday to Mr. Garrison. Birthdays for Wednesday, March 3rd are Alexandra Carroll, Tristan Mishkind, Savannah Robertson, Kayla Castillo, Mr. Barry, Mrs. Harms, and Mrs. Minton. Birthdays for Thursday, March 4th are Olivia Charles, Marissa McCall, Jonas Murphy, and special happy birthday to Mr. Hayden, Mr. Nolhoff, and last but certainly not least, Mrs. Struphart. Special thank you to Mrs. Struphart for helping with Panther Beat and making all this happen. That's all for me. Now pass it back to your news desk.
I'm Kelsey with your weekend birthday. Celebrating their birthday today is Dakota Clark, Megan Cook, Kaylee Hardiman, Nolan Cumming, Carson Malone, Gloria Martinez, Connor Rachel, Christine Rucker, Benjamin Spear, and Logan Wagner. And a special happy birthday goes out to Mr. Ali, Mrs. Dismukes, Mrs. Isaac, and Mr. Keck. Happy birthday for tomorrow goes out to Torin Bird, Autumn Kushmal, Megan Matheny, Devin Mersinger, Drew Stater, and Evan Stogner. Celebrating their birthday on Sunday is Ari Anna Brereton, Alyssa Breckling, Kristen Conrad, David Dingler, Dallin Greeley, Hannah Thrapp, and Keith Worker. That's all for me. Now over to your club news.
Do you love to sing? Join the OTHS choir program. Contact Ms. Jones for more details. If you're interested in auditioning for chamber choir, be sure to contact Ms. Jones ASAP. There are some great opportunities coming up. OTHS is the featured choir at the state conference, a new choir room, new dresses and tuxes, and traveling to New York to sing at Carnegie Hall. GSA meets virtually next Wednesday at 1:30. Email Ms. Shearman or Ms. Cook for the Zoom link. FCA meets Tuesday after school. You can attend in person in room 805 or check your email for the Zoom link. Fbla state conference participants need to complete their objective tests by this Tuesday, March 9th. These tests will occur at OTHS. Check your email to sign up for study hours and objective test dates. That's it for today, O'Fallon. For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to the Panther Beat YouTube channel.